See, fourth question. Prove that tangents drawn at the end of a diameter of a circle are parallel. AOP is the diameter of the circle with the center O. PQ and RS are the tangents drawn to the circle at the point A and B. Now, OA and OB are radius drawn at the point of contact. See, then clearly we can write OA is perpendicular to PQ, OB is perpendicular to RS. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Now we will write these angles. Now OAP is equals to OAQ is equals to angle OBR is equals to angle OPS. All four angles are 90 degree. Reason, radius drawn at the point of contact are perpendicular. Now in the figure we can see OBR, this angle, is equals to angle OAQ, this angle. See, these are our alternate interior angle. We can see a Z angle, the shape of Z you are seeing. Now, likewise, OBS is equals to angle OAP. Again we can see in the shape of Z, these two angles are equal. Reason what? Alternate angles. If our alternate angles are equal, then the line must be parallel. Therefore, hence proved PQ is parallel to RS. Now we will see fifth question. Prove that perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. See, PQ is the tangent to a circle with the center O. Let the perpendicular drawn at the point of P is RPQ is equals to 90 degree. This RPQ is equals to 90 degree. Be our equation 1. Now, radius drawn to the circle to the point of contact is perpendicular. This is our 90 degree. Angle OPQ is equals to 90 degree. Be our equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2 clearly we can have, if RHS are equal then LHS are equal. Can write RPQ is equals to OPQ. So, which is possible only when OP and OR coincide. This RP and OP should coincide. Then only this is possible. Therefore, the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. Hence proved. Now sixth question. The length of tangent from a point A at the distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. Find the radius. In this question we should find this radius OB. Now we will see data. OB is the radius of the circle and AB is the tangent to a circle, and angle OBA is equals to 90 degree. And from the center to the external point is 5 cm. And just by using Pythagoras theorem we can solve this problem. See, by Pythagoras theorem we know hypotenuse square is equals to sum of other two side squares. Here OA square is equals to OB square plus AB square. Now OB square we have to find. We will keep that as such. Now AB square is equals to 4 square. OA square is equals to 5 square. Now 4 square is nothing but 16. 5 square is 25. Now OB square is equals to 25 minus 16. Plus 16 goes RHS side, means it becomes minus 16. Now 25 minus 16 gives 9. OB square is equals to 9. OB is equals to root of 9, that is 3 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the circle OB is equals to 3 centimeter is our answer.